BPM core elements. I will be talking about the core set of BPM elements. There are 6 sets of core elements. Now I will start on the first set of element. Pool and lane. Each business participant can be a role. Example: administrator, manager, or department. Example: finance department, sales department, or system. Example: HR system, procurement system. Each business participant in a process is represented by one swim lane. The swim lane represents the area of involvement of each participant who has a role in the process being mapped. The pool captures all the business participants in the process. The start event represents the starting point of the process. The intermediate event represents an intermediate point in the process. The end event represents the ending point of a flow in the process. Every flow in the process must start from a starting point and end with an ending point. Activities can be either a task or sub-process. Task represents a unit of work. It is used when the work cannot be broken down into finer details. An example of naming tasks would be order pizza, make pizza, and eat pizza. Sub-process represents a smaller part of the process. It is usually used to simplify the process. Gateway represents a business decision. It is used for branching into 2 or more different flows depending on the business rule. Only one path or flow can be taken at any one time. Flow. A sequence flow is used to show the order that activities will be performed in a process. Task 1 will be completed first, followed by task 2. There are data object and data store and data element. For example, data store is a shop and database is a warehouse. You can store or retrieve product from the warehouse, and after that select the product that you want from the store. Data store provides a mechanism for activities to get or update stored information that will persist beyond the scope of the process. Data object represents the data that is required for the task to execute, or the data that is produced during or as a result of executing the task.
Created using Powtoon.